afternoon, dear teacher. Welcome back to our wonderful English conversation course. My name is Malis de Carmen Alvarez Carrillo. I am in 8th semester of bachelor's degree in English. Today I will come to present the activity number 1 of the unit 1. First of all, I will tell about the videos presents the main idea of which is to strengthen the student through ICT. This is very important because it helps and teaches and learning process to be more effective. Beijing this a tool that helps the student to be an activity and autonomous agent of its own learning in such a way that he not only acquires the necessary knowledge in an inert way, but through a responsible and strategic use of ICT tools. He collaborated to improve social life and therefore to achieve his internal formation. Finally, I would like to give my opinion on how to improve the usage of ICT in the classroom so that they can be very effective in contributing to school teaching by offering new lines of work as teachers. We must use them to develop digital skills in our students. Part of our work in this regard is to explore current proposals in terms of technology that will help us to enrich the learning environment in the classroom. When with Apple ICT with our students, we are teaching, but at the same time, we are also learning. In the field of education, the use of ICT should not be limited to transmit knowledge. Although this is necessary, it should also seek to train in certain skills and the need to develop a healthy critical attitude toward ICT. By this, we mean knowing how to distinguish what helps us and what limits us in order to be able to exceed. Accordingly, this process must be present and integrated in the family, at school, and in society.